Hello everyone, welcome to another series tutorial on Binyanis 3D channel. So this is a small overview for this tutorial. So what we will learn in this series, we will learn how to make this chair model. This tutorial will be recommended for beginners who want to get into 3D world starting with this small project. So the first step in our tutorial is to introduce to you the interface and the 3D viewport in a fast way. Then starting by adding our 2D drawings to the scene and scale our objects to work on a real world scale. Then moving to the blockout by knowing our primitive shapes. Then we will start modeling by moving vertices, edges, and faces according to our preferences and 2D drawing. Also apply various modifiers using modifier stack in Blender. Then after finishing with the modeling, we will move to UV unwrapping and learn how to add seams, unwrap the object, pack island, and lots of tricks for easy UVs. After that, we will move to adding textures to our object using manual methods and automatic methods like Node Wrangler add-on. Next, we will set up our lighting studio by adding the background, the floor, and the 3-point lighting. Finally, render the model and take it to the compositor to add final tricks as shadow capture passes and other passes and effects. So this is everything in this small overview. I hope you like it. See you soon in this tutorial series. Have a nice day.